Hi guys, I just wanted to quickly show you how I like to do a make one left and a make one right. It's a nice increase and it's really just helping adding some direction to the fabric. We're going to make an increase that leans to the left and an increase that leans to the right. So let's get into that. It's really quite simple, and once you kind of get a visual for it, you can become quite quick at adding these in. So I'm just going to knit a few stitches. So let's say I'm ready to add an increase here. You see these ladders in between, that's what we're picking up to create a stitch. You can use your right hand needle to help you, or you can use your left hand needle, whatever you like. So if I want to make a make one right that kicks out to the right, what I want to do is bring that needle from the back to the front. And do you see how that fabric, it almost is leaning that way already? That's what we want. So again, let's do that one more time. You've got these ladders. You can use this to pick it up from the back to the front. You see that fabric is leaning to the right, and I'm going to knit through that front loop. And you have made a make one right. I'm going to knit one, and let's do a make one left. So instead of coming from the back to pick up these stitches right here, we're going to want to actually come from the front. So instead of this motion, we're going to want to come through the front. And you see how that little bit of fabric right there is leaning to the left? That's what we want to see. And I'm going to knit that through the back loop. So let me knit across this and purl the other side so you can see what it looks like once you've knit that newly made stitch. So I'll be right back. Okay, I am back. Let's have a look at our fabric. You see these two little lines. We got one going out this way and one little stitch. If I can use my other needle maybe to point it out. So you have that guy going to the left, that guy going to the right. There we go, yeah. Boop, boop. Let's do it one more time together, and then you're ready to go. So let's just knit a few stitches. Try and get it in the same place, shall we? Okay, so let's do a make one right. So we're going to put our needle in, and we're coming from the back to the front. You can see that fabric is leaning to the right, and we're going to knit through that front loop. Now let's make one to the left and lift up that little ladder, and we're going to go from the front to the back instead. You see that that fabric, oh, that piece of yarn is leaning to the left, and we're going to knit through the back loop instead. And that is make one left and make one right. It is really just that easy. Alrighty guys, hope this has helped, and happy knitting.